on your website, when you log into the dashboard of your site, so if we go to the dashboard, there's two different ways that the site's going to look if you've never completed anything. If it doesn't look like this, that means you have not connected Google Analytics, and you should see a page that says welcome to LeadSites. There is actually a schedule a call button with your manager there. If you've already attached Google Analytics, you can find that page by clicking on your headshot and clicking Getting Started. Once you've clicked Getting Started, there will be that blue page that I was talking about, and that's how you'll know that you're at the right page where it says Welcome to LeadSite. And you can scroll down, and the third task is schedule a call with your account manager, and you will be assigned either myself or Mr. Chris T. And we'll be happy to help you get started and just kind of, set you on the path to success for the site as well. And this goes for anybody. If you guys wanted to talk to us about anything, you could schedule a short 15-minute call. We'll be happy to help you out and then get you steered in the right direction to make sure that you folks are successful with your sites.